Good morning, dear students. Look at it, how we can improve these small mistakes. So I'll start with these simple exercises. He became more and more handsome. How will you correct it? Yes, any one of you? I can pass the exam. I may pass the exam. Right? I cannot have time to do it. How will you correct it? I may not have time to do it. Right? More beautiful and more beautiful. Doesn't look good? More and more beautiful. We can visit our grandparents in Sydney this year. How will you correct it? We may visit our grandparents in Sydney this year. Do you can swim? These are common mistakes. Do you can swim? The correct sentence is, can you swim? Can you swim? Right? Next sentence, she could read when she was 3 years old. She could read. She could to read. Wrong. She could read when she was 3 years old. He can speak English. Cans नहीं होगा. Can speak English. Both they can be false. Both they can be false. Incorrect है, गलत है. कैसे इसको सुधारेंगे? They can both be false. They can both be false. Both we can drive cars. गलत है. We can both drive cars. Both we can learn from each other. गलत है. We can both learn from each other. Both we can speak English. गलत है. We can both speak English. We can both speak English. My father is one of the most important person in my life. Persons नहीं होगा. My father is one of the most important people in my life. Venice is one of the most beautiful city. City नहीं होगा, cities. Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. Next sentence, she gave me his book again. Correct sentence will be, she gave me his book back. She gave me his book back. Give me my money again. Give me my money back. His office is in the second floor. His office is on the second floor. Correct sentence क्या होगा? His office is on the second floor. My flat is in the second floor. गलत है. My flat is on the second floor. We arrived to the harbor just as the boat was leaving. We arrived at the harbor. We arrived at the harbor. We arrived to the hotel. We arrived at the hotel. I arrived to New York. गलत है. I arrived in New York. She asked me to show her the book. गलत है. She asked me to show her the book. She asked me to show. to लगाना जरूरी है. He asked her marry him. He asked her to marry him. He asked me lend him some money. He asked me to lend him some money. He asked me some money. He asked me for some money. She asked him help. She asked him for help. Needless to say, Judy came late as usually. गलत है. Needless to say, Judy came late as usual. I will go to London on holidays as long as I will get the money. I will go to correct sentence होगा I will go to London on holidays as long as I get the money. I will get the money नहीं होगा, I get the money. क्योंकि ये फ्यूचर के बारे में है, इम्प्लाइड है, विल की जरूरत नहीं है. I will study Japanese as long as I will live in Japan. गलत सेंटेंस है. I will study Japanese as long as I live in Japan. I will नहीं होगा, I live in Japan. I will learn English as long as I will have time. गलत. As long as I have time. What lovely house. गलत है. What a lovely house. What big dog. गलत है. What a big dog. What stupid man he is. गलत है. What a stupid man he is. I like cat. गलत है. I like cats. Do you like apple? गलत है. Do you like apples? I can play piano. गलत है. I can play the piano. I can play the piano, the guitar and the violin. Are you sure Peter plays violin well? गलत सेंटेंस है. Are you sure that Peter plays the violin well? He likes to play guitar. गलत है. He likes to play the guitar. Tom played the guitar and Mary played the piano. गलत सेंटेंस है. सही सेंटेंस होगा Tom played the guitar and Mary played the piano. दोनों में द लगेगा. If a weather is bad, I won't go out for a walk. गलत सेंटेंस है. If the weather is bad, I won't go out for a walk. Did you have a good weather on your trip? गलत सेंटेंस है. Did you have good weather on your trip? ये नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ये काउंटेबल नहीं है. Did you have good weather on your trip? He has made a very good progress. गलत है. प्रोग्रेस काउंटेबल नहीं होती, ये नहीं आएगा. He has made very good progress. ये नहीं आएगा. Give me a hour. गलत है. Give me an hour. I'll be back in a hour. गलत है. I'll be back in an hour. He gave his mother ए ऑरेंज गलत है, एन ऑरेंज। आई ईट ए एप्पल एवरी डे गलत है, आई ईट एन एप्पल एवरी डे। शी वॉन्ट्स ए एप्पल गलत है, शी वॉन्ट्स एन एप्पल। वी सॉ ए एलिफेंट गलत है, वी सॉ एन एलिफेंट। इन सब में आप ध्यान रखिए उच्चारण के आधार पर। अ, आ, ई, ओ ये उच्चारण है तो वोवेल साउंड, फिर आपको एन का इस्तेमाल करना है। I'll show you some exercises. कुछ exercises करते हैं। You can solve these exercises very easily. चलिए। Yes, hello. What your name? What is your name? Dash dash. Name is John and my dash dash is Johnson. क्या होगा? My name is Johnson. My name is John and my surname is Johnson. Answer is B. My name is Lisa. Dash dash Lisa Peterson. My name is Lisa. I am Lisa Peterson. Dash dash name is Apple. Dash dash Anne Apple. क्या होगा? Her name is Apple. She is an apple. Anne Apple. Where is John from? Dash dash from the US. Where is John from? He is from the US. Dash dash are you from Japan? Correct answer is C. Where are you from? Japan. Where are you from? Where are you in? Where are you from? Correct. I am from Spain. I'm Rodriguez. Pierre is a French boy. Dash dash. From. He is from France. Lisa and Max are Americans. Dash dash. From USA. They are from USA. What dash dash there? क्या होगा? What are their names? What are their names? D option. I am 22-year-old, but Andrews is 20. Okay. Dash dash, her name Aliza. So it's a question. So the answer is her name Aliza? No, she isn't. B option is best. Is your surname Anderson? Yes, I am. Yeah, yes, it is. That's the best. Is she American? No, she isn't. She isn't. Are their names Jack and Benny? Yes, they are. Is your dog 2 years old? Yes, it is. Is your elder brother married? No, he is not. Are you from Senegal? No, I'm not. Yes, try these. He said, I'll watch TV. He said, he would watch TV. Will की जगह would. Reported speech. Do you need a pen? Na asked me. Na asked me, did I need a pen? Answer B. I may be late. Mike told me that Mike told me he might be late. He might be late. What are you talking about? Dick asked me what I was talking about. B option. Can you come to the party? David asked me whether I. David asked me if I could come to the party. If I could come to the party. I have to study. Barbara said that she had to study. A answer. I don't know if I dash succeed in passing my exam or not. I don't know if I would succeed in passing my exams or not. Have you seen my grammar book? Nancy wanted to know. Have you seen my grammar book? Nancy wanted to know whether she had seen my grammar book. No, my nahi aayega. Have you seen my grammar book? Nancy wanted to know uh, if I had seen her grammar book. B is the best option. He explained why. He explained why. Why was he late? Or why did he come late? He explained why. He explained why did he come late. This is the best option. Who is that woman? I don't know. आगे क्या आएगा? A, B, C, D चार ऑप्शन है. I don't know who is that woman. Answer A. What started the fire? Nobody knows. Nobody knows who had started the fire. Answer D. What started the fire? Nobody knows. Who started the fire? A भी लगा सकते हैं. What started? तो what के लिए फिर what ही आना चाहिए. Nobody knows what started the fire. B. B is the best option. What did Julia buy? I don't know what she bought. A. Don't look at your friend's paper. The teacher warned thee, my friend's paper. The teacher warned me. Don't look at your friend's paper. The teacher warned me. The teacher warned me not to look at my friend's paper. Answer is D. He said that. क्या आएगा अब इसमें से आपके ऑप्शन? It is raining. She is unable to come. It was somebody else's bike. I didn't come. So he said that. B तो होगा नहीं. He said that it is raining. ये हो सकता है. But it because it is said past tense है, यहाँ आगे is, ये compatible नहीं है, तो ये नहीं आएगा. ये past tense में है. He said that it was somebody else's bike. So it is very good option. This can be taken up. I don't know. Will he come? He is there. What time the next meeting will there? Why did he fail? I don't know. Will he come? Yes, it can be. He is there. What time the next train is there? Similar options. Next, I can't imagine how dash the children. How? I can't imagine how do they rescue the children? Nahi. How did they rescue did they rescue? No. How they are going to rescue the children? How are they going to rescue? I can't imagine how do they rescue the children. C is the best option in my opinion. Janet said that she was hungry. Janet said, it is now inverted comma. Janet said, I am hungry. It is asking you to give direct passage. Mike says his father is ill. Mike says, my father is ill. Yes.